Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something that's been on a lot of investors' minds: the Motley Fool Stock Advisor service. With the stock market evolving rapidly in 2025, you might be wondering if this popular investment tool is still worth your hard-earned money. I'm going to break it all down for you in this quick review, covering what it is, its pros and cons, and my honest verdict. So, let's dive right in. First things first, what exactly is Motley Fool Stock Advisor? It's a subscription-based service from the renowned Motley Fool Company that provides stock recommendations, in-depth analysis, and investment strategies. For a fee of around $100 to $200 per year, you get access to their Best Buys Now list, which highlights stocks they believe have strong growth potential, along with monthly newsletters and educational resources to help you understand the market better. Now, let's talk about the pros. One of the biggest selling points is their impressive track record. Over the years, their recommendations have often outperformed the S&P 500, which is a big win in today's volatile market. It's especially helpful for beginners or busy professionals who don't have time to research every stock themselves. Plus, in 2025, with AI and tech disruptions reshaping industries, their expert insights could give you an edge. But, as with anything, there are cons to consider. The main downside is the cost. It might not be ideal if you're just starting out or on a tight budget. Also, remember that past performance isn't a guarantee of future results, so you could still face losses in a downturn. Some users complain that the recommendations aren't always spot on, and you'll need to do your own due diligence. So, is it worth it? In my opinion, yes, especially if you're serious about long-term investing and value professional guidance. It could save you time and potentially boost your returns. However, always diversify your portfolio and consult with a financial advisor. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more investment tips. Let's keep building that wealth together.